it's Rachel here with WTI. So many of us are low in magnesium, and I've been taking magnesium, a magnesium supplement for a long time, and it makes me feel so much better. This one is by CanPrev, and there's different types of magnesium. This one is by glycinate, and I find that this one is not harsh at all on my stomach.
I'll take 2 tablets at night, maybe an hour or 2 before I go to bed. And I find it really helps me to get an excellent quality sleep at night. A lot of people take magnesium for different reasons. You can take it for muscle cramps or cardiovascular health for great sleep.
I also like that this has 240 capsules, so this lasts me a really long time.
You can see in the list of ingredients as well, there isn't a lot of other additives. You're just getting the magnesium that you need. I've taken other types of magnesium before and they bothered my stomach. This one did not at all.
Looking for a magnesium supplement, I love this one. I highly recommend it. I'm going to keep buying it over and over again. And that's just my point of view.